If you spend time online in 2026, and let's be honest, who doesn't? Protecting your browsing, passwords, and online accounts is more important than ever. With threats like phishing, malware, unsafe extensions, and data leaks rising, more people are turning to browser security tools. One name that keeps coming up is Guardio. But is Guardio actually worth trying? Today, I'll break down what it does, how it works, and whether it's worth your time and money this year. Guardio positions itself as a browser protection app that works mainly as an extension for Chrome and other major browsers. Its main goal is to keep your web experience secure by scanning for threats, blocking unsafe sites, and warning you before you visit something risky. If you've ever clicked a link that looked harmless but turned out to be a scam, a tool like this can save you a lot of headaches. So what does Guardio actually do? First, and most importantly, Guardio scans websites in real time. When you're about to visit a site, it checks it against its threat database. If it detects phishing patterns, malware, or suspicious redirects, it will warn you or block the site entirely. That's especially useful if you do a lot of online shopping, banking, or work that involves confidential information. Guardio also scans your browser extensions. This is a feature that many people overlook, but extension-based malware is a real problem in 2026. Some extensions quietly track your activity or harvest data, and Guardio highlights suspicious or unsafe extensions, so you can remove them before they cause problems. Another aspect is its data breach monitoring. Guardio keeps an eye on your email addresses and connected accounts. If one of your accounts shows up in a known data leak, the app alerts you so you can change your password and secure your account before hackers take advantage. Now, let's talk about usability. Guardio installs as a browser extension, and it runs mostly in the background. You'll see alerts when there's something important, like a blocked site or unsafe extension. For everyday browsing, the experience is seamless. It doesn't constantly interrupt you with pop-ups, but it does step in when your security might be at risk. This balance between protection and convenience is one of its strengths. The downside? No tool is perfect. Some users report occasional false positives, warnings for sites that are not actually dangerous. This happens with most security tools, especially those that err on the side of caution. Another point is that Guardio's real-time database needs to be up to date. So you're relying on the company's threat intelligence to stay current with new attacks. Guardio also offers premium features behind a subscription. The free version gives basic alerts and scans, but data breach monitoring, advanced protection, and multi-device support typically require a paid plan. Whether that's worth it depends on how seriously you take your online security. If you're a casual browser, the free tools built into your browser and OS might be enough. If you handle sensitive data, work remotely, or just want peace of mind, a dedicated security extension can be valuable. So, is Guardio worth trying in 2026? The honest answer is yes, especially if you've ever had a suspicious link scare you, have multiple accounts across the web, or want an extra layer of protection without complicated setup. Guardio doesn't replace antivirus or full endpoint security, but as a browser shield, it adds a layer that most people don't get from default settings. If you're curious about better online protection and want something that works quietly in the background, Guardio is worth trying, even if just to see how many warnings it gives you in your first few days. More awareness usually means more security. If this review helped you decide whether Guardio fits your needs, leave a like, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and tell me in the comments, what's your biggest online security concern in 2026? Phishing, malware, or data leaks? I'll see you in the next video.